Hey guys, Chuck here, Paige in Tapanong, Thailand.
You're my heartbeat, my silent drum. Got kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky. When he opens his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum. That's kicking me till I'm numb.
So yeah, we've been sick today. We feel pretty good. I just went on a 35K bike ride to try to get the rest of this out of my chest. How are you feeling, bud? I think that means better in Thai. I'm not sure. But we're gonna go get something to eat. So the other day we went down to the river and watched the boat races, Kangrua Festival. I videoed. I couldn't video too much because it was so damn loud and hot and we weren't feeling good. But anyway, I'll share what we did film. It's so loud right here. Anyway, we'll try to sit here and eat. A lot of stuff happening.
ท่านจะบอกโดยตรงกว่าท่านผู้ฟังไม่รู้ว่าเที่ยวที่ผ่านไปใครๆก็จ้องดูไม่ใช่เที่ยวหมูนะพี่น้องกรรมการดูแล้วเรือทั้งสองสุดสูสีต่างฝ่ายต่างจี้เข้าเส้นชัยไม่รู้ว่าใครนำใครตามแต่ว่าผู้ตัดสินปลายสนามบอกว่าเรือที่ชนะคือเรือที่อยู่เรือนั้นไอ้เที่ยวนี้ไอ้ไป
Okay, we're sitting here by the river and some subscribers that came here from Ubon. And he lives in Singapore. What was your name?
Johnny.
Johnny and Max. Max, how awesome. Are you guys headed up to Mekong still? Or?
Yeah, after this.
After this, yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff happening today. It's very beautiful outside, but it's very hot. So. Anyway, we're going to sit here and talk about Singapore and drink a beer. He brought some scotch. Where'd it go? He brought some scotch with us. Let me see the scotch. I'll have to taste it. I've never had it before.
It has a smoky afterfeel.
Right. Cool stuff. You need some plamuk?
Yeah.
Oh, plamuk? Yeah, okay. These guys are getting towed in over here. Yeah. These guys are on their own.
Look at the engine size.
Yeah.
That's the load that you can take.
These guys must have been the winners. They get pulled in.
So I guess under the Thai rules, the winner gets to tow. Right?
Yeah.
The loser gets to get a
loser got to go back.
You got to pedal your way back in.
Awesome.
This version, you like it like that? I tell you now, the whole world, right? I only know one part.
So how is it? Aloy mai? Aloy mai? Aloy mai.
ผมมีที่ท่องเที่ยวที่เป็นเรื่องที่35ของรายการเป็นเรือที่ขายใหญ่นะครับ
To buy this.
Okay, he brought this all the way from Singapore, and this was from who? Oh, okay. So it's how old is it? You said?
Since 1938.
Okay. It's not that old, but that's when it was.
That was that's when they established the business.
Okay.
Slice spot.
So let's open it up. Open it up. I don't know.
มันมาหลายชั้นอย่างไร
Wow, look at that.
In USA, beef jerky, right? Singapore they have pork slice pork.
Oh,
ใหญ่
right. Can you tear me a piece off? Very good. Very good. Got out sweet. Awesome. Share. Well, gin.
Thank you.
You want a piece, eh?
Hello.
ไปฝากเนี่ยใช่อ่ะเห็นว่าเรากับทางว่ะ
This particular shop, right? Chinese New Year. Same as like.
มาแจ้งพี่น้องทางเราแล้วครับว่าถ้าเกิดมีกิจกรรมเกิดขึ้นในท่าพนมหรือจังหวัดเราก็ต้องให้ความแบบว่าให้ความยุติธรรมกันให้ความร่วมมือกันไม่เอาเปรียบใช่ครับไม่มีเอาเปรียบนะครับพวกเราก็จะได้ทำชื่อเสียงนะครับถ้าสิ่งที่ดีเขาก็จะนำไป
กราบเรียนเชิญครับสำหรับหมู่14นะฮะจนนะครับขึ้นกอกันได้เลยครับ
เจ๋งรับเป็นไม่ได้เนี่ย
So yeah, we had our Sunday fun day. I didn't video because we weren't really feeling well. So we had an awesome dinner. In the morning, we're going to wake up and go to Karat. I'm going to take the ladies to Karat. Mama's sister lives there. That's where we stay all the time. So we're going to let them spend a couple nights, maybe do some shopping. It'll be fun, right? Yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you. Feel much better today. Paige feels much better today, right? We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.